Hi, everybody, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency analysis. It's your guy here, the altcoin doctor here, bringing the latest cryptocurrency analysis on your favorite coins. And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, as we would be bringing you all the analysis on all your favorite cryptocurrencies. And without further ado, I will be giving you today's video on why you should buy more Gala. And without further ado, as you know, we are already talking about Gala, and this is the price chart for even for Gala. Currently ranked 142 on the rank. We are down just by a point with a market cap of about $299 million, a 24-hour volume of about $125.43 million at the point of recording. For the month, we're up 8%. For the week, we're up 9.2%. And at the time of recording, we are up about 0.1%. And first reason I'll be giving you about why we should be stacking more Gala is what I call the altcoin season index. And as you can see, right down every single time, right, price has gotten to Bitcoin months, and we have seen the altcoin season index being at its peak of the lows, right? We have seen that was the best time to buy Gala. As you can see right down on the 7th of January of 2022. Let's just use some examples. If we move over to our chart, 7th of June, right, of 2022, right, you would have bought right Gala around this range, as you can see right down, right. If you had bought at this level, right, you would have been up about a huge 40%, despite that we were in a downtrend. Another example of where we were at the end, right, even for Gala, is on the 29th of December 2022. If we move over to the chart, 29th of December 2022, as you can see, you would have exactly bought the bottom for Gala, and as you can see, you would have been up about 288% for the price of Gala. Last but not the least, as you can see right now, we touched the lows on the 10th of April 2023, right? And right now, if we move over to the chart, as you can see, the 10th of April is around this region, right? So we probably should be expecting at least a 40, right, to 100% pump right down even from the low. So we should be expecting to see price at the 0.08 level, right down even to the 1 cent level, even for Gala Games. As you can see, we are on the chart even for Gala Games, and we have drawn all our support and resistance levels. And as you can see, like we have been talking about Gala, as you can see, it is currently in a support range. As you can see, we are currently holding the support even for Gala above the 0.0413 region, right? Meaning we should be expecting a huge push even to the upside in the medium to long term range. Also, if we bring up our indicators, as you can see, first is our money flow. As you can see, our money flow is still on that range, right? We are still expecting some huge push to the upside. As you can see, Gala like loves to have these sort of consolidations, right? A little fake out and then a huge push even to the upside. So we could see another consolidation, a fake out to the downside, and then another huge push even to the upside. As we can see also on our oscillator, we love our oscillator because our oscillator is a leading indicator, and it shows us where price is going. And as you can see, we are on the bullish aspect, and so we should be expecting even more bullish price action even for Gala on the medium to long term range. Also, with that's not all we have. Also, if we look at this other chart, as you can see, for Gala versus the US dollars, as you can see in this channel, every single time we saw Gala came above, as you can see, right, this middle line, this middle channel, as you can see, we have been very bullish on Gala, and every single time Gala came below, right, as you can see, this middle range, we have been bearish. And as you can see, currently Gala just cross the middle range, meaning we are very and should be very bullish, and thus expecting higher price targets even for Gala. Not forgetting that we could be in some sort of consolidation range every single time, right? We switch up above the upper limit, so we could see some little consolidation before we could see another push even to the upside. As you can see, while we are bringing the argument for a consolidation. As you can see, our stochastic is quite oversold, especially on the daily. So we should be expecting some little consolidation while we see the stochastic even push even to the downside. Same thing with our RSI. Our RSI is just having some sort of sideways price action, meaning on the medium to long term, we should be expecting some little sideways action before we see probably some little fake out and then a huge push to the upside. So we probably could expect a fake out down even to the 0.041 region, right? A push to the downside and then another huge push to the upside. Now, that is not all. Also, if we switch over even to this chart, and what we like about this chart, right, is an indicator I made, which I call the altcoin doctors indicator. And what the altcoin doctors indicator does is that it shows us where price is bearish. And as you can see, every single time price was bearish, we saw a huge push even to the downside on our indicator. And every single time price was bullish, we have seen some sort of huge push right down even to the green side. As you can see, we have been seeing a push, right? Even when price was bearish here, we saw a push to the downside. And currently, we are already flipping bullish, right, on the altcoin doctors indicator for Gala, meaning, right, we should be expecting some kind of very huge push even to the upside for Gala in the medium to long term range, right? So another reason why we should be expecting another push to the upside is what we call the Fibonacci retracement tool. And what the Fibonacci retracement tool does, as you can see, right, for some of you that don't understand, Fibonacci is just a sequence of numbers that can be seen every single place in the world. It can be seen in nature, it can be seen in all around your houses, right? And these are just a set of numbers that can be are used to predict what will happen next. And as you can see, drawing our Fibonacci retracement tool, according to the Fibonacci retracement tool, one of the ways, right, we would see a definite action on the price of Gala is the 1.618 region. And drawing our Fibonacci retracement tool, we could still expect some huge upside even for Gala right down to the 1.618 region, which is about 81 cent region. So we should be very bullish. As you can see, various indicators telling us we are bullish and we should expect furthermore bullish price action. And even according to Fibonacci, right, we are having our deciding factor at the 1.618 level, which is about the 1 cent level even for Gala. So we should expect a huge upside. Sorry about the 10 cents level. We should be expecting a very huge upside even for Gala in the medium to long term, especially downright even to the 1 cent level. So if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a great day.